Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to connect Printify to TikTok Shop. First, you should have an account on Printify and TikTok. So if you haven't created one, go and create one right now. And now once you have created one in Printify, you should go to Printify dashboard. After that, you can go and click on My Store here on the top left side. Then choose Add a New Store. Now here you should click on TikTok US. After you click on TikTok US, it will show you here this page. Now you can choose between I want to create a new store or I want to use an existing Printify store. So simply choose I want to create a new store, then type here your store name. After you type here store name, click on connect. Now after that, you should check one of these boxes or both. And if you want to learn more about seller shipping, you can simply click on learn more and it will redirect you to this page right here. But for now, let us check these two boxes and click on connect. Once you click on connect, it will show you here this page. Now you'll have to choose North America seller. Then it will show you United States. You just have to click on next. Then you should here provide your type of ID, US passport or driving license in the US. Then click on next. Then now you'll have to provide your shop information and some personal details. And after that, your Shopify and Printify will be integrated. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.